We want to find x in the triangle below. X this time is an angle, and we know all three sides. The angle we're trying to find we call A. The side opposite is A. Let's call this B, and then this is angle B, and this C, and then this is angle C. Using a table to collect the information, A and A, B and B, and C and C. A is 9 centimeters. We're trying to find angle A. We know B is 5.4 centimeters and C is 6.7 centimeters. Looking, we can see we don't know any pair, and that tells us that we're going to use the cosine rule. If we're finding an angle, it's best to have the cosine rule as cos A is b squared plus c squared minus a squared all over 2 times b times c. So the cosine of A is equal to 5.4 squared plus 6.7 squared, take away 9 squared, all divided by 2 times 5.4 times 6.7. These brackets may help when you type it into the calculator. You should be able to reproduce the answer minus 0.0960 and so on. The angle then is going to be the inverse cosine of the value we just worked out, which is 95.511 and so on. So it's 95.5 degrees, correct to 3 significant figures.